Okay, here's our kitchen in 3D to size and scale. So starting off with the range, 48-inch wide range. This is the hood at 68. And this cabinet here, this would be the spice pull-out and some cookie or cutting board dividers in there. So this cabinet, the door opens up, and this would be the spice pull-out, which is open on the left, and rollouts on the right side. So there's a divider inside the cabinet. Left side of the range, same thing, single door in the front with a tray divider, a chrome metal tray divider here for cutting boards, cookie sheets, cooling racks, etc., and a drawer above it. So from the front, it is balanced out with doors on either side. This is the blind corner cabinet. When this door opens up, it lays flat against here, and a couple drawers in the back corner. The sink, of course, centered on the window with the dishwasher left and right. Drawer stack to the right. This is a trash pull-out to the left of this dishwasher. 3 drawer stacks here, and this cabinet is glass with a painted interior that would sit on the countertop, and this would be installed after the countertop goes in. This is 16 inches deep, and then all of these uppers are 14. Since this is essentially going to be all your storage, we made that a little bit deeper so you could double stack bowls and a little bit more room for plates. On the fridge side, a 36-inch built-in. So the bottom of this is at 84. Let's look at this in an elevation view. So this side, this leg, would stick out a couple inches beyond this wall. This little alcove or niche is only 24 deep, and we need about 27 for the built-in fridge, so this would stick out about 3 inches, which is fine. The glass doors on this with a painted interior and glass shelves and maybe some puck lights up here to shine through. Ice maker and rollouts here for liquor, so these doors open out and pull open the rollouts for liquor storage. And with the island, so the island top is about 34 or 35 inches wide, the countertop, and it's 138 inches long. So we have about 40 inches from countertop to countertop, and then the same thing on this side. Right now you have 45-ish, but in order to make this a little bit more appropriate, it looked too skinny and long to have this at with just 24-inch base cabinets. So this is 24 deep, and this cabinet here is 8 inches deep. So these are doors. Open those up with some adjustable shelves. Same thing here. This is the microwave cabinet, or excuse me, this is the a 3-drawer stack close to the range for pots and pans. Another shallow cabinet, and then this is the number 50 is the microwave cabinet. Wine captain facing the bar area, and we have about 4 feet here, I believe, yep, of overhang with posts to support this end that are 4 inches by 4 inches. So we can comfortably get a couple bar stools here if we want one on this side and then one on the end. So a little compromise with making the island wider, but I think it's appropriate. If we just imagine taking 9 inches off of that, that's pretty skinny, and it makes it very difficult with that narrow of a countertop to get a bar stool on the end. But with 40 inches in between, that's still appropriate, and that would be okay. And then with this cabinet here as well, we would do a puck light in the top of that cabinet, and there's puck lights underneath all of the uppers here. So let me know what you think of this, and have any suggestions or changes, we can certainly do that. But there you guys are. Let me know. Thank you.